For years, I thought the voice in my head was me. It was a non-stop machine of worry and doubt, and I believed every word. If the voice said, "You're not good enough," I believed it. I spent all my energy trying to argue with it, to fix it, to somehow win an argument against myself. It was exhausting. But then I came across a single sentence that shattered my reality. It showed me a way out I never knew existed. And in that moment, for the first time in my life, I felt truly free. Many of us live our lives listening to that constant voice in our heads. It judges, it compares, it complains, it worries, and we often accept what it says as absolute truth. We don't just have worried thoughts. We say, "I am a worried person." We merge our very identity with the noise in our minds. This is a dangerous trap. When you believe you are the voice, you become a prisoner inside your own head. You're not just dealing with a passing thought, you're fighting with what you believe is a core part of who you are. You're stuck in a story told by a voice that always expects the worst. I was deep in this fight when I came across a quote by the spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle. And this is the sentence that changed everything for me. He wrote, "What a liberation to realize that the voice in my head is not who I am. Who am I then? The one who sees that." Let that sink in for a second. The voice in your head is not who you are. You are the one who hears it. You are the one who sees it. Suddenly, it's not a battle anymore. You're not the voice. You are the awareness behind the voice. Understanding this creates a space. There's the thinking mind, like clouds passing in the sky, and then there's the observer, the part of you that just watches those clouds. That observer, that awareness, is your real self. Your mind is a tool that makes thoughts. The problem is we get so lost in the weather of our minds, the storms of worry, the fog of sadness, that we forget we are the sky. The sky isn't hurt by the weather, it just holds it. In psychology, this is called cognitive defusion, creating distance from your thoughts to reduce their power over you. Living as this observer changes your life. You stop being a victim of your own mind. When that inner critic starts, you don't have to fight it, you can just notice it. Here's a simple, practical way to start doing this right now. Pay attention to your words. The next time you feel a tough emotion, instead of saying, "I am anxious," try saying, "I am noticing the feeling of anxiety." Instead of, "I'm a failure," try, "I'm having the thought that I'm a failure." This simple change in language creates that crucial space. It reminds you that you are the space where the thought is happening, not the thought itself. Understanding you are not the voice in your head is the start of real freedom. You are the quiet, open awareness that is there behind the noise. That awareness is calm and always present. So, the next time your mind starts its chatter, just pause. Gently ask yourself, who is noticing this thought? In that moment of noticing, you are stepping back into your true self, the one who sees. And that self is already free. What's your experience been with the voice in your head? Share your story in the comments below.